This is going to be a super quick demo of how to use the function player Unity package. So let's start. This is the demo scene, but we are going to create a new function player object. Demo or tutorial. Reset its transform. It's not mandatory, but I prefer. Okay, so this is the function player component, and now we're just going to create new items, and in these new items we can set like the target component and method, and we will be able to set the arguments for this method. So let's create a super simple hello world example world. We are going to choose the own this function player component because it brings some useful methods. So you can set any target, but we are going to choose this one, the component function player, and we can see here, this is you should not have this, but well, we can see here like different methods. The log is the most simple one. So let's say hello world, for example, world, and you can see that we cannot play now, but that's because we need to be in play mode. So let's play our game and let's see what happens when I hit play here. Let me open the console. When I hit play, okay, you see the hello world. So this function player is going to be like calling sequentially all these items. Okay, so let's add some more. Now, for example, I have set up a kind of character component. Okay, you can see here some of the methods we have in the character component. The method content is not it's not important for the tutorial, so yeah, yes, it's just a twin on, and so a little bit of code, yeah. Okay, so now what we can do is here, for example, we're going to set the character target, the character component also, and we can see here the three methods available in our code. Okay, so for example, we can choose set scale, and here we see all the arguments. This is a vector3, and I guess it's a float. Okay, duration. So we can here set up the things we want to, like, for example, let's scale it to 5 and 2. This is not a 5. And it is going to delay 1 second. I'm going to remove this, okay? And yeah, if we hit play, of course, we can, okay, we hit play and we see what happens, okay? We can change let's reset it to 111, for example. Now it's going to delay 6 seconds. If I hit play, you see this is like, well, resetting to 111. Okay. So now, if we need, like, the cool thing about this is that we can create our own custom functions. So let's create a public void, for example, a test, and here we can, I don't know, some string message. Let's try animation curve. Curve and some vector3, for example. And let's say that transform dot position equals this. Let's log our message, and I don't know what to do with the animation curve. So message mensaje. And let's just do some, let's see, evaluate with, I don't know, 0.5. Let's log this. EBP log our okay. So now if we compile this code, we will be able to see the new method appearing in the selection. Okay. So let's create a new key. We can change the name. This is, for example, scale, and this is like a custom method. I don't know. Okay, so if we now we see here appearing the test method, okay, and we here see the parameters. Let's say this is my message. Let's set the animation curve to something like this, and the vector like 3, 1, 2. I don't know. Okay, so now if we hit play and we play this method, it should execute this test function method. So, well, as well as these ones. I hit play. Okay, you see, like it's doing all at the same time. I am going to remove this. So, well, now the scale is messed up. Yeah, but you see that it played the method. I don't know what this is. I didn't save. Okay, anyway. Hello wolf. And, okay, let's play. Again, you see that this is moving our transform, logging the message and logging the value of the curve at 5. So, well, with this, of course, you can create like different animations. You can see here, this is a little bit like basic, but you can do a lot of things with this. I would like to show you also how you can use coroutines to delay the execution of things. If you use a coroutine here instead of a void, the numerator, okay, test coroutine, for example. Let's do some float delay. Yeah, kind of. And here we can say like coroutine start. My laptop is lagging a little bit. Yeah, it's a laptop. Yield return. Seconds delay here, and let's print here end of coroutine. Okay, so now this is super basic, but we could like wait for some prior input or whatever we want to delay. Okay, or like do some, I don't know, magic things in here, like it doesn't matter. So if now we create an item and set this character instead of test coroutine, our delay is going to be like 3 seconds. I'm going to bring this up. So we are printing hello world first, then we scale, then we wait because the coroutine is waiting, just waiting 3 seconds, and then we will play this last test that we made. Okay. Okay, let's go. Uh, okay, so I hit play. You see the first both. Now the coding started. It waited 3 seconds, and then the coding finished, and this key was like played. Of course, the function player plays the methods in order. Okay, you don't need to. If you only want to wait, you don't need to create a method for that. I created it for you. Okay, like the hello world, you have this wait method. It's exactly the same, but it doesn't print anything, of course. Yeah, so you can create your sequences. Well, this has been like a super quick demo tutorial. Uh, it it's pretty basic, like what I've done here, but you can do a lot of things with this. I may upload videos uh, with some more complex behavior, but for now, I think this is enough, so you can create your own animations or whatever you like to create. Bye.